Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ActiveCampaign AI for Lifecycle message automation, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify ActiveCampaign AI for Lifecycle message automation, begin by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the Automation section in the main menu. Click on Create an Automation to start a new project. Select the Start from Scratch option to customize your automation. Choose the Add a Trigger button to define the conditions that will start your automation. In the drop-down menu, select the event that will trigger your lifecycle message. Specify the audience segment you want the message to reach. Set any additional conditions or filters to refine your audience. Click Add Action to choose the type of lifecycle message you want to automate. Select Send an email for email messages or send a text message for SMS notifications. Customize the content of your message, ensuring it aligns with your brand voice. Use the AI suggestions provided by ActiveCampaign to optimize your message. Preview your message to ensure it appears as intended. Test the automation by choosing the test option at the top of the screen. Verify that the automation triggers correctly by simulating the trigger event. Check the email or text message to confirm successful delivery. Monitor the performance of your automation in the Reports section. Adjust any settings or content based on the performance metrics you receive. Repeat the testing process after making adjustments to ensure effectiveness. Once satisfied, activate your automation to start reaching your audience. Regularly review and optimize your automation as your business evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.